Now you may also notice on your screen that maybe your quick access toolbar looks different from mine. Now another reason that this could possibly be the case is because you've got the try what's new feature on. So look at how my quick access toolbar looks like at the moment, and then over to the right hand side there's a little trumpet thing, upcoming features. Now if I click this option and scroll down, basically I can turn this on just by clicking this option here. But I will need to restart my application. So I'll go OK by turning it on. I'll close Excel. And when I open it again, it looks a little bit different. The quick access toolbar looks different, and everything's sort of got this rounded sort of look about it. This is because you're trying the what's new or the new look. If this is how your screen looks at the moment, then you want to turn the what's new off. And that's by going back to that trumpet, brings up this panel, scrolling down and turning it off. And OK, this will take effect when you restart Excel. So I'll turn it off, you can see it there. I'll close Excel and I'll reopen Excel, and you'll notice I've got quite a different look. So that may also explain why your quick access toolbar may look different to what we need in this course. So make sure you turn the what's new off, and as I said in an earlier video, maybe choose the white color scheme.